Hey guys, Josh Gaskell here. So far this semester, I've had a truly dynamic internship experience. Fortunately, the schools I report to have been open and I've been able to meet face to face with the administrators I'm working with. Most of the work I've been heavily involved in is the development of our school district's remote learning plan. As everyone else can relate, there is so much uncertainty about how schools will reopen in the fall. This is certainly an interesting time to pursue admin credentials. Upon reflecting, I've observed a variety of leadership styles with the administrators I have observed at our one elementary school and one high school in the school district. I'm thankful for these different perspectives as I'm forming my own leadership skills. Standard 4 focuses on human resource leadership. This standard hit close to home for me as it relates directly to mentoring beginning teachers and their feedback. As beginning teacher coordinator, I was able to share the feedback I received from our end of year survey of beginning teachers to the admin team at the high school this past week. 60% of the BTs at the high school expressed that they would like more informal observations from their administrators. The AP agreed that this was an area for improvement, and he asked for me to assist in creating a quick walkthrough observation checklist for next year. The AP, Mr. Green, thanked me for sharing this information and said that he was looking forward to our further collaboration with supporting beginning teachers. He has been very supportive of me throughout this entire internship process, and I have much respect for him and all that he has shared with me so far. I stumbled upon a book this week from a free resource I received via email through Solution Tree. The book is called Heart by Timothy Knold and focuses on teachers forming their professional life as a teacher and leader. It was a great coincidence how this paired so well with my focus on Standard 4 this week. The first chapter of this book has teachers take a self-reflective look at where they are mentally. What is the current state of your present is the main question. From there, it has teachers answer a series of questions. One quote that resonated with me most states, "You can't have a great story unless you get your purpose right. A flawed purpose always results in a flawed ending. As leaders, we must have a defined purpose so we can successfully support all of those that we serve." This book was definitely right on time for this standard. Hope everybody else is having a great internship experience so far.